Hey, what's up?
Oh, hey.
So, you're Caleb, right?
What kind of question is that?
A stupid one, I guess. So, aren't you in that Introduction to Digital Literacy Media?
Oh, yeah, I am.
Cool, so what have you been working on in there?
Well, this trimester, we started out with a music video, and we learned how to use GarageBand and how to make music on GarageBand or make loops off what GarageBand already has made for you. And we also learned how to get MIDI files off of the internet and then change up the original song to where it's your own original song.
Cool.
And after that project, that took up probably about 3/4 of the trimester. And then we did this mashup project where we had to grab videos from off of archive.org, and since they were public domain, we could use them without permission. We grabbed old commercials and we made it our own, and we voiced over the commercials to make it funny and original. And after that project, we started on a parody for a movie, and that's what we're working on right now. We had to make our first video a parody of fair use video to show that we understood what it was protected under the First Amendment, how parody and fair use were protected, and how we could use other original movies that weren't ours and use it that was legally in a legal sense.